In this video, we are going to see how we can sign up for the TikTok Creators Reward Program. So provided you meet their criteria, you should be able to join their rewards program. So if you have at least 10,000 followers and you should have, I believe, 100,000 qualified views in the past 30 days. So if you meet both of the criteria, you should be able to enable the Creator Reward Program. So what we need to do is we head over to the top right hand corner. Once you're in your profile, click on the three lines at the top and click on TikTok Studio. And from here, you scroll down under the monetization. You will click on the arrow next to it and you will see this Creator Rewards Program. Click on that. And from here, you can learn all about that. But since we are not eligible yet, what we can do right now is get notified when I'm eligible for the recommended programs. I can mark that, and then TikTok will automatically send you notification once you qualify for any of the programs you opted for. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.